My name is Sandra Mursha, foreign my favorite family member. My favorite character is Jack Bear. Physical parents. He has fear. He has big eyes. He has blue eyes. He has small. He has short eyes. He has nice clothes. External rights. He is rich in a crush. He is very curious. He is very talent. He is very restricted. He is a strong temperament. Thank you.